13 to go. Come on, Stewie. Ben Rhodes' truck looks nice. Oh, and he's gonna tag Enfinger. Oh.
Huge crash at the front. Friesen, Enfinger.
Fuck, dude. No one cares about fucking Chandler Smith and his child neglecting ass. But are you kidding me, dude? Friesen and Enfinger.
Shaping up to be for Friesen.
You have two veteran race car drivers that are racing each other really hard. 12 to go. And the same thing we've seen all night long. The truck on the inside getting loose.
Just going for it at the end. Stewart's just wanting to close the deal.
Motherfucker, dude.
With the move that he makes, it's going to cost him. See, he couldn't quite get to the bottom, Joey.
Yeah, and Grant's just the innocent bystander on that. He's just making laps. And that happens.
That 9 was a brand new truck, and into the outside wall it went. Had to be proud of the performance of the 9 truck, though. Build on that. Stewart was so distraught after riding him.
Damn it, dude.
He's trying to pull him back into the corner and try to get to where he's in a better aero
Position.
But he
Jinx, give me a soda.
At the right time, and like you said, he missed the bottom, got even tighter to the right side of Grant's door. Poor Chandler Smith, he's another innocent bystander.
Yeah, bastard.
If he picked the bottom lane down into 3, he doesn't wreck, right? He was weaving down the back straight. Which lane do I get in? Which one do I do? And then he wishes he picked the bottom.
Watch this just wind up right in his lap. Not a thing he could do.
Chandler Smith has just been so consistent this year. Worst finish, 13th. Coming up Rockingham 2 weeks ago.
That's gonna change.
We're going to bring the field to a stop
shucks.
while cleanup continues.
Red flag is diabolical.
11 laps to go here, Michael.
Major crash here. And you see Stewart Friesen physically able to...
Okay, never mind. They just stopped the truck. They just stopped the trucks. Okay.
Just ejected.